All right, everybody, we're back with my buddy. They call him the king of weight loss, and he's the creator of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. This is my buddy, A.D. Dolphin. Earlier this season, my buddy Ruben decided that he wanted to lose weight. So we have been talking about it for years. And I told him, why don't you hook up with Dherbs? So he said, man, I'm gonna try the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse, because I think the last lady that came on this show that had lost 50-some pounds.
51 pounds.
That lady blew everybody away, because when her before and after picture was so dramatic, it messed a lot of people up, including Ruben. Why do you think that most people have trouble losing weight?
Steve, I probably think the big issue is people think once they start going to the gym, the weight is going to fall off of them. And it's actually much bigger than that. Losing the weight is easy. It's truly easy. Keeping the weight off is hard. And that's where the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse truly comes into play, because the lessons that you're gonna learn on that cleanse is going to teach you how to change your lifestyle for the future so you can keep that weight off, period.
Wow. Well, Ruben has been on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse for nearly 2 months. Now, Ruben has lost 40 pounds. Now, let's see what Ruben looked like before. That was Ruben 40 pounds ago. Ruben, come on out. Boy, look at your little sugar. Look at your little sugar.
Thank you.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing amazing.
How you feel, though?
I feel absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for this,
Man, it's
man. I
been a
didn't
pleasure.
know. I thought it was going to be rough. It wasn't. You know what I mean? I did it. I'm so happy I did it. I'm glad my wife did it with me. That way I could fight through it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My
man.
pleasure.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
This is like crazy, because Ruben's jackets normally, the button in the front, I've actually heard his button go. Why did you want to try AD's cleanse?
The real story is, a couple months back, I did this dance battle with this kid from Chicago off screen.
Oh, that went viral?
Yeah, and I was watching the video and looking at the comments.
Wait.
Yeah.
What comments like what?
The comments were things like, the skinny guy was good, but the fat guy was great. And I was like, ooh, I don't want to be the fat guy anymore.
Hey, Ruben, the skinny guy was good, but the fat guy.
So a couple weeks after that, I got the process going, and I'm not gonna lie to you, like I thought, you know, going into it, you're like, this is gonna be tough. It's raw vegan food. It's not. It's really not. You know what I mean? The recipes that you have on your website, the recipes that you can find online, it's doable and it's easy, and I'm so happy I did it. So happy I did it.
You know, it's 20 days. That's all you gotta do. You're trying to tell me that you cannot eat all the vegetables, salads, whatever you want to make. You can't do that for 20 days to look how you want to look for this summer?
Yeah.
You can't do that?
Even beyond the looks of it, I have asthma. I have terrible asthma.
Yeah.
My asthma has been reduced drastically. I used to have to take my inhaler every night. I don't have to do that anymore. My resting beats per minute was 95. I'm down to 60 to 65. My skin is clear. My eyes are clear. I don't need caffeine anymore.
AD, kind of remind people the benefits of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse.
A lot of times people have been chasing 20 to 40 pounds for 20 years. This is your opportunity to rid yourself of that weight. You're talking about benefits like weight loss between 10 to 30 pounds, a huge boost in energy, stronger immune system, clearer skin, stronger sex drive, better sleep. It will truly change your life. And Dherbs literally has been changing lives for the last 15 years.
So for those of you who don't know, Ruben is like a big kid at heart. So to congratulate you on this great weight loss journey that you've been on, we wanted to do something for you and your family. We're sending you and your family on a 5-night, 5-star vacation to the Nickelodeon hotels and resorts in Punta Cana, baby. That's out the country. Yeah, just like that. You're gonna experience luxurious accommodations in their swank, swim-up suite. Yeah, time. You got tons of amenities, including the Aquanic playground with winding water slides. They got splash pads. They got a lazy river ride and hilarious family slimings. Yeah. Oh, man, plus you're gonna get the gourmet inclusive charisma experience. Congratulations, Ruben, man. You my man.
Thank you, sir.
This is a great guy, folks. And thanks again to UAD. We'll be right back, y'all.